Cheers to all the haters, cause you proved to me that rising to the top was my destiny. And you can see whatever from behind me, but I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Guys.
Morning.
Morning, welcome to Disney World.
Yes, day one.
Yeah, we've just got up, well, we got up about an hour and a half ago.
Yep.
And we're heading...
Unpacked, sorted it out, sorted the tickets out and everything, they're all ready to go.
Yeah, we're just going to go and drive and pick up Bob, Kelly and Kaya, and then we're going into Magic Kingdom.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
3 years this took us.
Yeah.
And today is absolutely lovely.
It's very warm.
It's very warm.
And I'm shiny from sun cream.
It's 9 o'clock in the morning and it's gorgeous.
Yeah. Yeah, so let's go get them.
Let's do it.
We're in the car. It's like climbing in to like a bus or something.
It is awesome. I love it. Yeah. Now I'm awake a bit.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Like I said, yesterday we did a full car tour later, but it is big.
It's
amazing.
so big.
Right.
Let's go get them.
Bob and Kelly.
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic.
I've got a Bob shirt. How awesome is this shirt? Bob and Kelly just gave me this shirt and it's amazing. Why? How awesome. Bob's got one. We're gonna match. How amazing. I love it. Thank you.
Magic Kingdom!
Here we go.
Go!
Magic Kingdom!
We're at the Magic Kingdom. Well, we're in the car park.
We're near Magic Kingdom. The closest we've been in 4 years.
On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic, and we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance.
We're on the ferry.
How you feel going to Magic Kingdom for the last 4 years?
Excited.
Yeah, it's amazing there.
Yeah.
What you gonna do? We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic.
Romney knew it.
Yeah, lovely.
Here's the front. That Norway one. That's
Yeah, lovely. Yeah, very nice to know.
Yeah.
We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic. Maybe you got me. Slow ride, just you in that baseline. We're way past sunshine. Believe in the magic. Alright, step into the moonlight. Get into that good time. Believe in the magic. And
Oh, I like it.
Okay, so we came into Magic Kingdom and Emma and Kaya and Kelly are and Jade, baby Jade, are all getting tiaras.
It's tiara time.
Let me see, Kaya.
You don't have to get one. Which one?
Kaya likes big bold.
This one or this one?
I kind of like the sparkly one better.
They're both sparkly. Let me see
Okay.
the one on.
Put it on again.
I like that one better, the gold one.
Okay, the
That
gold one. Nah.
First one? Which one was
Yeah.
that? First one?
can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last.
Carnation Day.
It's Coronation Day. This one?
Yeah.
It's really picked, is it, Kelly?
Yep, that's it.
It's nice.
That's the one. Oh, that one's nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, that one's nice. Wow. Oh, that one's the one. Yeah, for sure. First instinct. Yeah, that's
Yeah?
it. Yeah,
Happy?
that's I feel queenly. Okay,
Get in my
that's it.
basket.
Huh?
Get in my basket.
Yeah.
Look at Mount Nelson. He's awesome.
When nothing else makes sense, just dance. Yeah. What you gonna do? We do it.
We found more.
Look at this one.
That is nice. That's like a rose gold one, isn't it?
Oh, that's matte. How do I wear that? Oh, that's nice too.
Can you make it smaller?
No. Why, is that not right?
I don't know, it might fall off, might it?
No, it's hooked in.
Okay.
It just is longer. I need a... Oh, this one's a bit pokey outy. This one.
Oh, really?
No.
Which one do you like?
Well, I like them both, that's why I was asking.
We'll get both then.
I'm not getting two tiaras.
Well, you're here for like 2 weeks.
What do you think? This one?
Up to you. What do
This
you like?
one or this one?
Okay, let me see number 1 again.
Charlie, this one. Ow, that one.
Charlie, wait, no, like I wait.
Doesn't matter.
I don't know, I like the second one now.
Charlie does know.
Thanks, Charlie. Okay. I think I can pick whatever colour. Oh no.
Are you happy?
Oh, is it got like a little like green in it?
I like the gold one and the copper.
Which one is it? Yeah, that one, gold one. Nice, okay.
Nice.
Nice. So, Kaya.
What?
Nice. Nice. Nice.
I picked a crown, I picked this one.
It's amazing.
And the stone in the middle, you can change it. They twisted it out. So I picked this blue one.
What colour did it?
Turquoise.
Okay.
It had light pink, but I've got turquoise.
It is nice.
So now I am Queen Emma.
Yes, Queen.
And it was like $56.
Nice.
So, bargain
We just mobile ordered
from Columbia Harbour House.
and we got.
Lobster rolls
Yes, we have.
and Cokes.
It's very, very warm. So a nice Coke would be nice. We've got to get an Instagram photo of all the girls in front of the castle with their tiaras on.
We're good.
I really like Kaya's one.
I do too, it's very clear.
They're all nice to be fair. And they glistening in the sun, they love them.
Are they?
Yeah.
And it all, the feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm so hungry.
We're doing it all. The feeling is so. Maybe you got me. Believe in the magic.
Oh, funnel cakes. Funnel cakes.
You got me. Maybe you got me. We're doing it all.
We're at Columbia Harbour House.
We are, and we just done a mobile order, and that was so convenient.
Yeah.
That was really quick.
We both got exactly the same.
Yeah.
We got lobster rolls and fries.
Yeah, I'll show you in a
Or
minute.
chips.
It's one of the ones that we wanted to try, wasn't it?
Yeah, this was on my list actually to try.
Is it?
So
Right.
yeah. 2 birds.
Look at that. I'm excited.
Woo!
Dig in.
We're going on the Haunted Mansion. First ride of the trip.
This is very, very nice.
Oh yeah, lunch was good.
I have spoken to you since, it was lovely. Yeah.
You scared, John?
Petrified.
Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
I'm so excited.
First ride in since
Yeah. Yeah.
Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween
We have. We didn't get that bad.
We got a little wet, but not too
Yeah,
bad.
not that
got the
bad.
worst.
Did you? How? You behind me?
Yeah. And we're
really
gonna
fun.
go on Big Thunder
Yep.
next. So
Yeah.
it's been a great day so far.
It's awesome. I love it.
Big Thunder Mountain!
I love Big Thunder. We've done really well today.
Yeah, we've done so many rides.
Oh really? Yes.
What a surprise! Not even melted yet or anything, and it's like
Really?
a million degrees.
What?
Yeah, I'm mostly melted, but not all the way.
We just done pirates, and yeah, we're going to get a Dole Whip
I'm
now.
excited.
Yes.
First one of the trip.
Snack! Yeah. Having this, and then I think we're going to go to Walmart, get a few
Publix.
bits. Publix, Walmart,
Get
say.
some bits.
Yeah, get some bits. But whatever,
It's like
after
the
that,
hottest day ever in the
it's
world
lovely,
today.
it really is.
Oh, Kelly's queue jumping.
Oh no.
Are you coming in as well?
Yeah. But yeah, the Dole Whip.
I can't see them.
Yeah, a different one.
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's
Pirates
see.
was awesome though, I missed that one.
Yeah. Yeah, it's the smell.
It is a smell. Yeah, it definitely adds to it.
Yeah.
I don't think Howard does that so much.
They have the smell there though.
Not as strong as that.
Not as strong.
No.
Best thing I've ever tasted. This is a tropical one.
Is it
Tropical
good?
with pineapple. Yeah, and John got passé how show.
That's a normal one.
Pineapple with pineapple.
I'll try yours out.
Yeah,
I'm
right.
gonna put mine.
Oh Okay.
But it's good.
Yeah, it's good. We're in the tiki room. John's so excited.
It's nice to get air conditioning.
Yeah, but John hates this one.
It's not the best, is it?
And what darling people I have sitting under me. Pierre, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
Mon ami, I am always ready, as you say, to put on the show.
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic.
We're looking for magic bands.
Yes.
Are you getting one too now?
I think I am, yeah. I wasn't going to, but I think I am.
Oh, we found John's.
I could pull that off. The pink one.
No. This matches the sparkle on your head when you sweat.
And we can save you from your past. This bond is always gonna last. When nothing else makes sense, just dance.
Please take your time, watch your step boarding the boat. Join us on the upper deck, you might catch a little bit of a breeze. A lot more seating available up here as well. We'll have you across Seven Seas Lagoon in 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
We're doing it all, the feeling is so, baby you got me.